Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some aftermarket upgrades that I've done to my 2009 Honda Civic. If you've been around my channel a while, you know I like to use factory parts whenever I can. But unfortunately, sometimes you got to bite the bullet because the factory parts are either too much money or they're not available. Some of these are going to be cosmetic from just parts wearing out, and I had to replace them, and others have really made a difference on the look and feel and how I love my vehicle again. I do have videos on everything I'm going to talk about today, and I'll link it at the end of the video. But for now, let me show you my favorite upgrade, which is my multimedia player. What I really like about this, it looks like it belongs here. It looks like it's factory. This is a plug and play unit, meaning it came with this bezel and it came with all the connectors to just plug it in and play it. What else I like about this unit is some of the units on cheaper models, I've read that they freeze up or they're really slow. This one is not slow. It's fast and it hasn't frozen up on me yet. And that's been a couple months. I would definitely suggest putting one of these Android units in your car. I also installed a backup camera, so now anytime I put it in reverse, I can see in back of me, and this was a huge upgrade. If you want to know more about this unit, I do have a couple of videos on this. I have one video on the installation, one video on the installation of the backup camera, and I've put two different manufactured units in this car and my other Civic. And those videos are all on my YouTube page. I'll put a link to those at the end of the video. Let's get on to our next upgrade. Next thing, I want to show you my moldings. So if you have an 8th generation Honda Civic, chances are your moldings are all cracked and deteriorated. I picked these up on Amazon about a year and a half ago, and they were about 45 bucks. They're very easy to install. If you need to know how to install these, I do have a video on that I'll link in the description. Also, these are just stickers, and it really spices up the look. I'll put a link to the video that I did on this, and in that video you'll be able to see where you can purchase these on Amazon. I believe these were really cheap. There is some prep work into installing these, but like I said, I've got a video and I'll put that video link in the description. If you made it this far in the video, take a minute and subscribe to my page. 95% of you who watch my videos don't subscribe. It really helps me out if you're a subscriber. That's what this channel is all about. It's helping each other out. Please take a minute and hit that subscribe button to help me out. Now, back to the video. Next up is the LED lights. These are both the same car. On the left is the LED, and on the right is the halogen. There's the low beam, and here's the high beam. What a difference. I like to put them on the bench and just match them up. And then to install them, you just pull the connector down, turn it about a quarter turn counterclockwise, and pull it out. That's it. And then to install them, you just line up the tabs, put them in at an angle in the reverse order. I like the way these LEDs work so much that I replaced the trunk light with a brighter LED. It's a huge advantage to see what's in your trunk. You'll appreciate this when you need it. This is an inexpensive 5-minute upgrade, and you'll need a small flat blade screwdriver to accomplish this task. Now, to remove the trunk light, we'll just use our flat blade screwdriver. What we want to do is just try to pull it down a little bit, and you get your fingernail in here, and then take the flat blade of your screwdriver, push up here, pull it down, and then once we get it down, there's the connector. There's a tab right here. Just pull it down and out, pull out the light bulb, and install the new one. And that's it. Put in the left side of the car first, and then click it in. So now that I got plenty of light in my trunk, the same bulbs fit my license plate. These are the sockets. They have 2 tabs on each side. You just squeeze them and rock it out. Once again, we're using the same bulbs, the 194s. So just pull it off the connector and put the new one in. Here's what it looks like with both license plate bulbs replaced. That's going to conclude the upgrades for the Honda Civic. I do have more upgrades planned. One of them is going to be LEDs in the reverse lights. I did this on my Honda Element, and wow, what a difference it made when you're backing up. You can actually see. Also, I'm going to put some LEDs in the brake lights and tail lights. That's more of a cool factor, and I also did that in the Honda Element, and it looks really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.